What's up, Better Days? Today we're out on the Stones River again. I was here yesterday, but you got to get while the getting's good. This river gets so dried up so fast that you can't kayak it. And we're gonna have trouble today getting through a few shallow spots. So we should be able to catch some fish. Man, I got an army with me again. You got Phil in the purple shirt, Chris in his kayak backing down this way, trying to flip right now, and then Don Lottie in the orange hat. This is the West Fork Stones River, and this trip is Thompson Lane Trailhead to Nice Mill Dam. And this is a beautiful boat ramp. It's a little tough getting out at Nice Mill Dam, but it's an 8-mile trip. It's got some awesome rapids, and it's a lot of fun. Oh my gosh!
Oh, that's nice. Very nice.
Your net's not long enough. Your arms gotta grow.
Hold the fish in more. Woo! Just barely. Woo!
Wow. Did y'all see how much trouble it was to get? Phil had just said, we shouldn't even fish right here. And then we just see an 18-inch, 2.5-pound tank come out. Chris is actually wearing us out. Curtail it. Chris,
It's 20.
it's 20. He got a trophy.
Yep.
It's 20 and a half on the button.
Nice.
Chris just got a trophy bass.
Look at that. It's just called a trophy smallmouth right there. First thing in the morning. That's beautiful.
Good job, dude. Well, it's not every day you see a 20-inch trophy smallmouth. 20 and a half. That's probably the longest fish I've seen on this river caught. And this is Chris's first time on this river, which is just what a treat for him. Now, I can take people on this trip, but it's going to be a long trip. It's 8 miles, and it takes a long time, much more than 6 hours. And you saw the little spot we just went through there. Like, you got to be able to manage these rapids and stuff. And if you're not able to go through them, you got to be fit enough to jump out of your kayak and you know, collect your stuff, your belongings in the event that you flip, because that happens. The best way is to try to avoid flipping, but even I've done that a couple times out here. But you got to get through all of this. Much more. There's much more of this down here. Here's a particularly tricky spot. Oh, wow. Okay, we did it with ease. You been watching the Olympics, Don Lottie? I know Phil has, because he's a track guy. Car. I had a grandfather want me to take him and his grandson to Betty's Island and fish from the bank for trout. Show them how to fish. 4 hours, 150 bucks, right? He had such a good time. Tipped me $100. Well, I fucking slayed him. Nothing of consequence. I show y'all guys pictures of consequence. Yeah. I mean, I caught 3 sturgeon with the Klein. I don't think I sent y'all a picture of that because y'all understand I know how to fucking catch a sturgeon anytime I want to.
I love fighting.
Oh, I love the fight. I got into a fist fight with one of them motherfuckers the other day in the kayak. I love it. It's the other side is too bumpy though. The little dam is too exposed. The little middle was the way yesterday. These are my buddies. They're really good fishermen and really good kayakers. So when I tell them to hit a spot like this, they can do it. If you think you can hit a spot like this right here, hit me up, betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. You may be the one to get that 20-inch bass. You don't know. If we come out on a trip, I won't be fishing. I'll just be telling you what it is that I think I would do. So hit me up, betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. We'll do this trip. I've still never taken anybody on this. Got to be a good kayaker, and it would help to be a good fisherman. I went over the dam yesterday, but this time yesterday I had a lot more fish in the boat, but oh well. We're going over it today with no fish so far. I stuck the landing. Let's see if they go over it. They may chicken out. No, sit down. You scared me. You probably could have done it standing up. He's a better kayaker than me though. Chris went right over it smooth. I think we oversold it in the past.
Oh, 100%.
I think you could always just go right over it.
On the helper bite?
No, on a swim bait. Phil caught a fish, so Chris has been wearing us out. Phil caught the second fish anybody's caught all day. Chris caught plenty of fish. We haven't caught any. But that's okay. Sometimes that happens. It could be you. You could catch the 20-inch fish. You just got to come out. betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Switching back over to the swim bait.
Catch him on the swim bait?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's at least.
That's nice. Like 14.
Yeah, he's 14, I'd say. Under that log. Thanks, buddy.
I can't explain it to you guys. Chris is just catching fish left and right. Now Phil caught a fish, but ain't nobody else caught nothing. But Chris got another one up there. They're in that thing. How far you think I can go?
About 4 to 5 feet.
Water's nice and cold. Feels great after the recent rains we got.
Ooh, don't shake my head. Let's see.
Oh wow, it's patterned up. Oh crazy.
Yeah, it's not even 17. It's fat though.
It's a big fish.
So
16
and a
3/4. No,
half.
3/4.
About 3/4, yeah. He's not that big, but he's fat.
Ah, it's pretty. I remember a time when a paddle tail was no fail in this river. Now it seems like you can't. Now it seems like you can't hardly catch a fish. Phil's back there catching fish.
Oh yeah, wow.
Oh yeah, wow.
Hey, you got him a big one.
Does it?
Well, I don't doubt it. He's like 6'4".
Oh wow.
Wow, that's,
Oh, I got a good one. I got a good one.
I got a good one too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
My first fish of the day.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Come on, buddy.
Come on.
Get in here.
Right there.
Nice one.
There you go.
Oh, she's a good one. See if I can get her. Oh, she just coughed up cicada wings.
Ooh, delicious.
Oh, it's disgusting. Okay, we finally caught us a fish. It's a stubby little fish. It's a funny looking little fish. And it just coughed this up right here on my lap. See that right there? It's disgusting. It just come right out of that pie hole right there. Look at the pie hole on this thing. My goodness. Where the fish at, Rich? Where the fish at? Where the fish at, homie? Where the fish at? You the fishing guide, put me on a fish, man. Where the fish at, homie? Where the fish at? Put me on a fish. I couldn't tell you. I caught a fish a minute ago. First fish of the day, legit. Nah, dude, it was just a little regular old, like 12-inch smallmouth or 13. Oh, he just jumped in the boat. Thank you very much. Appreciate you, homeboy. Peanut butter jelly Ned rig. My buddies are catching big fish, but meh. I'll take a couple little smallmouth. Not a big deal. Yeah, because he don't have a choice because he's not a good fisherman. Thanks, D. Appreciate that. I'll make sure that goes in the video. Well, everybody's catching the big ones but me. Wow. Nice fish. It happens.
Hey, that was close.
He's only got one hook. Oh, I finally got me a little fish. He is a little guy. He just crushed it. He knocked the tail off the paddle tail. He just... It was just a violent bite. I haven't been recording because my friends have been catching fish, but I haven't. But that's okay. We got us one right here to show you guys. Pretty good looking little guy. Pretty good looking. He ate that paddle tail swim bait I love to throw in the summertime, but he knocked the paddle tail clean off of it, so we got to get us a new one on there. This is a Berkeley power bait. Paddle tail. Show you what's in the tackle box real quick. Not a whole lot of stuff today. You don't need a lot on this river to be successful. top water, some paddle tails. There we go. All right. That's a 1/4 ounce jig head. Heavy jig head. A little paddle tail right up there. There we go. That's the presentation. That's what he ate. We'll see if we can get us 1 or 2 more today. But there's a golf ball right there.
You gonna grab it though?
Well, I mean, I hardly need to.
You bitch!
You've been golf ball hunting, not this.
They do settle here.
Yep.
I didn't even think of it. You find any good ones?
Oh, Callaways, Titleists, all kinds of good shit. Wow. Well, it turned around for us. We've caught plenty of fish now. Nice ones too. There we go. Goodness. Come on in here. Oh. There we go. We got him. We're having fun. Peanut butter jelly Ned rig. Sometimes you got to hit them with the PBJ to get them to cooperate. That happens. Nice guy. Good guy. Yep, I've flipped here before. Prepared to flip here again. It's nice and warm today. The sun's out and the wind is blowing, so it should be fine. Dry off eventually if we flip. Well, listen to me. When we flip, it's coming. I can feel it right here. Whew, we made it. It's so freaking cold, it's great. You ain't feeling it yet.
Oh, wow.
Wait till you get in here. Yeah, wow, look at that.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah, swim in that right here.
Yeah, go ahead, jump in. I'm not. It's too cold. Oh, I just got crushed. Oh, we got it anyway. Man, that fish ate it, came back for it, and ate it again.
I've seen that.
Oh, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Oh.
Came back, guys.
Right, yeah, that was crazy. Oh, we're getting into them now. Hit me up if you want to do this trip. I mean, you got to be good, but we can do it. betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Man, that was a violent attack. How about that? There we go. Topwater fishy fishy. My goodness. smallmouth. Alright, let's do our best not to get hooked. There we go. Little topwater guy to end the day. Nope. I've caught some good ones. Trophy right here. After a long day of being on this river, oh my gosh! They keep hitting it right at the boat. God, dog it today was crazy. They just keep hitting right at the boat. So many times they'll hit at the top of the cast, not today. Alright, let's see here, try not to get these hooks in us. Little topwater guy right at the end of the day. Nice. Alright, this is the official end of the trip. I already did my exit. And you guys are going to hear me tell you all about this trip. Oh, see the people just jumping off into the river here ahead of me? We're going to try to go through here in our kayak. Now this, no guarantee this is going to be easy. We're going to do our best. Amigos! Thank you. I'm gonna catch my other amigos coming down right here. You wanna give me a hand and help me catch them? All right, go grab them. I got this one. Go grab them. It's gonna turn. They're gonna catch you. They're gonna catch you. Chris! What are you doing? You're never gonna make it. All right, our last major obstacle for the day. Once we get done with this, we're not far from the end of the trip. This is the West Fork Stones River, Thompson Lane Trailhead to Nice Mill Dam. We've done it 2 days in a row now, and they were both good days. If you can do this trip, you'll have to hit me up. We'll have to talk extensively about it. Hit me up, betterdaysfishing@gmail.com. Send me an email, I'll get right back to you. You can do this trip on your own, but wear your life jacket. Be prepared to flip. This is the West Fork Stones River. Whoa. Whoa. I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, whoa, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.